Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 53 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Let's review. 激动 excite, 耐心 patience, 生气 angry, 宠物 pet, 小狗 puppy, 仓鼠 hamster, 自私 selfish, 白痴 idiot, baby mean. Now follow me to learn 炫耀 懒惰 幼稚 in Chinese characters. 炫耀炫耀 means show off. 炫耀 show off. I love to show off your photo samples. 我喜欢拿你拍的照片来炫耀。耀光雨人字旁1、2、3、4炫耀 show off. 炫耀 show off. Next one for today. 懒惰懒惰 means lazy. 懒惰Don't be so lazy. 不要这样懒惰。懒树负舵竖心旁左边 left 月 moon 懒惰 lazy don't be lazy. 懒惰 The third one for today. 幼稚means childish. He's like a childish adult. 他就像一个幼稚的成年人。幼稚禾字旁人字旁2、3、4幼稚 childish.懒惰，懒惰，懒惰 lazy 炫耀，炫耀，炫耀 show off 幼稚，幼稚，幼稚 childish. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.